Welcome back. Your life is nothing more than the result of the choices you make. Every single day, you are choosing comfort or growth, discipline or excuse, regret or possibility. Some people spend their entire lives waiting for the perfect moment, while others make one bold decision that changes everything forever. In this video, we're breaking down the most important choices you will ever make in life and how those decisions quietly determine who you become. Ready? Let's get to it.
Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. So get this, the average adult makes over 35,000 choices every single day. That's a massive number, right? Well, today we're going to break down the absolutely foundational choices that dictate the trajectory of your entire future. We're pulling from some incredible source material today that just cuts through all the noise and looks at the raw architecture of human choice. Because life, it's not just something that happens to you. It's a continuous, non-stop series of crossroads. And really, one of the very first major choices you're going to face is this. Would you rather fail or regret never trying? Just let that sit with you for a second. Today, we're exploring these stark, totally unavoidable crossroads you will inevitably face. Okay, let's jump right into Section 1, owning your life's direction. Look, some people are out there actively designing their lives. They're the drivers. Others, they just kind of react to circumstances, riding along as passengers. Being the driver means you're setting goals, making decisions intentionally, taking responsibility, and really owning your outcomes. But being the passenger just means you're allowing life to happen to you. At some point, you've got to decide, are you going to live the life you want or the life everybody else expects from you? Parents, friends, society, culture, literally everyone has an opinion on how you should live. But at the end of the day, you are the only one who has to wake up every single morning inside your own life. Which brings up one of the deepest questions from our sources. Are you actually living, or are you merely surviving? Are you growing, exploring, building, and really experiencing life fully? Or are you just repeating the exact same routines without any real purpose?
Right, moving on to Section 2, escaping the comfort trap.
So many of us stay trapped in these safe little routines purely because we're terrified of embarrassment. But here's the thing, failure hurts temporarily. It stings, sure, but the biggest pain later in life comes from wondering, what if I had actually tried? Regret is the thing that can haunt people for decades.
Pretty much every meaningful achievement involves some level of risk. Starting a business, changing careers, investing, pursuing your dreams, playing it safe definitely protects your comfort, absolutely, but it also severely limits your potential. Sometimes, risking it all is the only way to actually unlock what you're capable of. And so many problems get worse simply because we avoid them. Ignoring health issues, financial problems, relationship conflicts, or mental struggles, well, it might feel really good today, but avoidance creates temporary comfort while guaranteeing severe long-term damage.
Let's pivot a bit to Section 3, valuing time and money.
Modern life is just constantly throwing distractions at us. Scrolling, streaming, gaming. We've all lost an entire evening to just staring at a streaming menu, right? But while that endless entertainment offers a quick, temporary dopamine hit, it does absolutely nothing for your future.
On the flip side, the people who grow the fastest permanently change their future by choosing to learn. They spend way more time reading, building, learning new skills, and improving themselves than they do just mindlessly consuming content. Education literally changes your trajectory forever.
Of course, life requires a balance, right? Between enjoying the present and preparing for the future. A lot of people overspend today and then really suffer tomorrow. But then others get so obsessed with the future that they never actually enjoy their life at all. True wisdom is learning how to do both.
And when it comes to finances, one of the biggest choices you'll make is whether you'll only ever trade your time for money or if you'll eventually build systems that generate income without your constant presence. Most wealthy people eventually make that transition from working for money to owning things like investments, businesses, real estate, and dividends that produce money for them.
Okay, Section 4, designing your environment. Your environment shapes your future way more than most people realize. If you're constantly surrounding yourself with negative, lazy, or undisciplined people, well, eventually that mindset is going to influence you too. But being around ambitious, disciplined, growth-focused people, that completely elevates your standards. You really are the average of your inner circle.
Sometimes,
personal growth actually requires changing your physical environment. Different cities, different countries, different social circles. A lot of folks stay in places that no longer help them grow just because leaving feels uncomfortable. But sometimes the environment itself is your biggest limitation.
This brings us to Section 5. Choose your own pain.
There's a really hard truth that many successful people eventually learn. You're going to be tired either way. You'll be tired from building or tired from struggling financially. Tired from discipline or tired from stress. Everything good requires sacrifice. So life basically forces you to choose which kind of pain you prefer. Nobody's just going to hand you the life of your dreams on a silver platter. You have to actively choose the pain of hard work, or eventually you'll have to accept the pain of unfulfilled potential.
As we wrap up this explainer, I want you to remember this. At the end of the day, life is largely shaped by your choices, and choosing not to decide, well, that's still a choice.
Some of these choices feel incredibly small and insignificant in the moment, but they completely change the direction of your future. The people who end up building truly extraordinary lives are simply the ones willing to make difficult decisions consistently, day after day.
So, I'll leave you with this. Look at your life right now. What difficult choice will you commit to making today to secure your tomorrow? Take these insights, pick one area where you've been playing it safe, and take the wheel. The rest of your life is waiting on your decision.